day everyone. I will show you a prototype using our smartphones for registration for our bank accounts. So una, makikita nyo bank account, then the username and the password. Kung wala ka pang account, you must click the register button. Then we go to this phase, register. So kapag magre-register po, kailangan po ng first name, last name, and your middle name. So if you click the next button, it will appear here, the next one, your account number sa bank account, tsaka yung contact number, and yung birthplace dapat ilalagay doon. Then sa naman, kung may lalabas na please confirm the information, so kailangan mong balikan yung mga information na binigay mo to confirm na kung hindi sila mali. So you must click the back button first, then if you confirm the information is correct, so you must click the confirm, then next. So may magsasabi dyan na congratulations, your account is already registered. So ganun lang po.